Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the Palos Verdes area. So Palos Verdes, it's located in a coastal city in Los Angeles County. It has a beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean, and Ranchos Palos Verdes, it's one of the best place to live in California, guys. So what are the fun things to do here? You can go swimming at their beautiful beaches. There's a famous Trump National Golf Club, and then the peninsula has fantastic views of the Pacific Ocean, rolling hills, and they have beautiful and lovely gardens. There are also great restaurants, shops, and parks. The climate here, guys, are perfect for outdoor activities, and you can also visit here for your weekend getaway or a vacation. It's a beautiful place, guys. It's only 45 minutes to an hour drive from Los Angeles. And if you want to have a peaceful escape from the busy city, this is a perfect place to go. So this is considered as the home of the most wealthy residents. So there are celebrities that lives here, including Rod Stewart, Liza Minnelli, George Takei, and Joe Montana. So there's a scenic helicopter drive that takes a tour within the South Bay, and there's also South Coast Botanical Gardens that you can see. You can also explore the view stunning of the Wayfarers Chapel. This is considered as the oldest chapel in the area. Many weddings and special events are held in this chapel. There's also Sunday worship here at 10 a.m. You can also go visit the lighthouse, the Point Vicente Lighthouse. It was built in 1979. This spectacular lighthouse, it's beautiful, guys. Spectacular, yeah. And then you can also play at the Trump National Golf Course. It's open to the public. You can also go horseback riding around the peninsula. There are lots of things to do in this area, guys. You can have a drink at the Terranea Resort. You can see the sunrise from this view, from this location. You can also go to the Palos Verdes Cove and have swimming there, kayaking. And you can also go to the Lona Bay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my video. And also there's also the Korean Friendship Bell in San Pedro. Thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.